guys, if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing my pork afritada. For my pork afritada, you will need 2 pounds of pork cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 medium-large onion diced, 1 bell pepper cut into chunks, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 4 to 5 bay leaves, a half a pound of baby carrots cut in half, 2 medium tomatoes cut into chunks, 4 small potatoes cut into chunks, 2 cups of water mixed with 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon and pepper to taste. You will also need some oil for frying. First thing I'm going to do is turn my eye onto medium heat, and I'm going to put a table to 2 tablespoons of oil in my skillet. And I will let this come up to temperature. Now that my skillet is hot, I am going to add my tomatoes, my onions, my bell pepper, and my garlic. And I am going to saute this for about 1 minute. Now that my veggies have sauteed for about a minute, I am going to add my pork into the skillet. And then I'm going to put some pepper. And this is just to taste. Then I will stir it, and if I think it needs more pepper, I will add some more. Now that I have the pork mixed with the veggies, I am going to brown the pork for about 5 minutes. Now that this has been cooking for about 5 minutes, I'm going to add my bay leaves and my fish sauce, my soy sauce, my 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and my 2 cups of water with my tomato bouillon in it. And I'm going to stir this well. And I'm going to cover my skillet, and I'm going to cook this for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now that I have been cooking my pork afritada for about 15 minutes, I am going to add my potatoes and my baby carrots into the skillet. I'm going to mix that well, and I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Potatoes and carrots have been cooking for about 10 minutes, and my potatoes are fork tender. It is time to plate. All pork afritada really needs as a side dish is some white rice. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want to see me cook next. Thank you.